What if I told you that while you were sleeping last night, artificial intelligence generated over $3 million in revenue for ordinary people who figured out how to position themselves in the right place at the right time? By the end of this video, you'll discover 7 income streams that didn't exist 5 years ago, and I'll show you exactly how to tap into them starting today, even if you have zero technical experience. I'm about to reveal something that most people completely miss about the AI revolution. Everyone's talking about job displacement and robots taking over, but they're looking in the wrong direction. The real story isn't about AI replacing humans. It's about AI creating entirely new categories of wealth that never existed before. And right now, we're in the early adopter phase where the biggest opportunities are still wide open. Let me start with something that happened just last week. A graphic designer named Sarah from Ohio discovered that AI could help her create custom coloring books in under 30 minutes. She's now making $4,000 per month selling these on Etsy, working just 2 hours a day. A year ago, this business model literally didn't exist. The tools weren't there, the market wasn't ready, and the systems weren't in place. This is what I call the AI wealth wave, and we're currently riding the first surge. But here's what's fascinating. Most people are sitting on the beach watching this wave approach instead of grabbing a surfboard and riding it. Today, I'm going to hand you that surfboard and teach you exactly how to use it. The first income stream that's absolutely exploding right now is AI-powered content creation services. But this isn't what you think. I'm not talking about replacing writers or designers. I'm talking about becoming an AI content strategist who helps businesses leverage these tools effectively. Companies are drowning in AI possibilities, but they don't know how to implement them strategically. Here's how this works. Small businesses know they need to use AI, but they're overwhelmed by the options. They need someone to audit their current content processes, identify where AI can save time and money, and then implement systems that actually work. You become the bridge between complex AI tools and practical business results. The earning potential here is substantial. AI consultants are charging between $50 and $200 per hour, and many are booking 30 to 40 hours per week. The beautiful part is you don't need to be a programmer. You need to understand business problems and know which AI tools solve which challenges. To get started, pick 3 AI tools and become genuinely expert at them. I recommend ChatGPT for writing tasks, Midjourney for visual content, and Claude for analysis work. Spend 2 weeks mastering each tool, then start reaching out to local businesses offering free audits. Your goal is to identify 3 specific ways AI could save them time or increase revenue. The second opportunity is creating AI-generated digital products. This market is exploding because AI dramatically reduces production time while maintaining quality. We're seeing people create everything from stock photography to music samples to educational courses using AI as their primary production tool. The third income stream involves AI data services, and this one surprised me with how quickly it's growing. Businesses generate massive amounts of data but struggle to extract actionable insights. AI excels at pattern recognition and analysis, but companies need humans to interpret results and make strategic recommendations. You can position yourself as an AI data analyst without needing advanced technical skills. The key is learning prompt engineering techniques that help AI tools like Claude or ChatGPT analyze spreadsheets, customer feedback, sales data, and market research. Your role becomes translating raw data into business intelligence that drives decisions. I've seen people charge between $300 and $1,500 per project for this type of analysis. The work typically involves importing client data into AI tools, running various analytical prompts, and then creating reports that highlight trends, opportunities, and recommendations. Most projects take between 5 and 15 hours to complete. The fourth opportunity is AI workflow automation. And this is where some people are building 6-figure businesses very quickly. Every company has repetitive tasks that eat up employee time. AI can automate many of these processes, but someone needs to design and implement the systems. That someone could be you. This isn't about replacing human workers. It's about freeing them from mundane tasks so they can focus on higher value activities. You become the person who identifies automation opportunities, selects appropriate AI tools, and creates workflows that actually function in real business environments. The most successful automation specialists focus on specific industries or business functions. Maybe you specialize in automating customer service responses for restaurants, or creating AI-powered inventory management for retail stores. The narrower your focus, the easier it becomes to develop expertise and charge premium rates. Your income potential here ranges from project fees between $1,000 and $10,000, plus ongoing maintenance contracts. Many automation specialists are earning between $8,000 and $20,000 monthly by serving just 10 to 15 clients with recurring automation needs. The fifth income stream leverages AI for educational content creation, and the timing couldn't be better. Online learning continues growing rapidly, but content creation remains time-intensive and expensive. AI changes this equation completely by accelerating course development while maintaining educational quality. You can create comprehensive courses on topics you understand well, using AI to help with script writing, slide creation, quiz development, and even video editing. The key is combining your subject matter expertise with AI's production capabilities to create educational products faster than traditional methods allow. The sixth opportunity involves AI-powered market research services. Companies need to understand their customers, competitors, and market trends, but traditional research methods are slow and expensive. AI can analyze vast amounts of online data, social media conversations, and market information in hours rather than weeks. You position yourself as a market intelligence specialist who uses AI tools to gather and analyze business-critical information. This might involve analyzing competitor strategies, tracking consumer sentiment, identifying market trends, or researching potential customers. The AI handles data collection and initial analysis, while you provide strategic interpretation and recommendations. Your first step should always be market validation. Before building anything or investing significant time, prove that demand exists for what you want to offer. This means talking to potential customers, researching competitors, and testing your assumptions with small experiments. AI tools can actually help with this validation process by analyzing market data and customer feedback. Once you've validated demand, focus on creating your minimum viable offering. This doesn't need to be perfect or comprehensive. It needs to solve one specific problem well enough that people will pay for the solution. You can always expand and improve later, but getting to market quickly is crucial in this fast-moving space. The learning curve for AI tools is manageable if you approach it systematically. Don't try to master everything at once. Pick the specific tools you need for your chosen income stream, then spend focused time becoming genuinely competent with them. Most people underestimate how much value they can create with just 2 or 3 AI tools used skillfully. Here's what I want you to do right now. Pick one of these 7 income streams that resonates most strongly with your current situation and interests. Write down 3 specific actions you can take this week to move toward that opportunity. Then commit to taking those actions before next weekend. The AI wealth wave is building momentum, and early positioning matters enormously. The people who establish themselves in these markets over the next 12 months will have significant advantages as competition increases. But you have to start moving now because opportunity windows don't stay open indefinitely. Remember, you don't need to become an AI expert to profit from AI. You need to become expert at identifying problems AI can solve and creating systems that deliver solutions people value. The technology handles the complex work, but human insight and business judgment remain irreplaceable. The future belongs to people who can effectively combine human creativity with artificial intelligence capabilities. That future is arriving faster than most people realize, and the income opportunities I've shared today represent just the beginning of what's possible. The question isn't whether AI will create wealth. The question is whether you'll position yourself to capture your share of it.